traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 17th of September 2020 and time is 9:29 am. Now coming to our watch list. So traders, we are today having Axis Bank, TCS and JSW Steel in our watch list today. As I already told you yesterday that from now on I will be trading in equity and with stop loss of 100 rupees. So traders, here I am seeing a kind of opportunity in Axis Bank. As you can see here, I made a resistance line here and it is spending time from some minutes here, so there are chances that it can give a good breakout to fill the gap. So now I'm placing the order with limit order 441.80 441.80. Okay traders, so order has been placed. It's not yet executed, but we will wait for it to get triggered. And let me make it aligned to the buy limit. Okay, so done. Also you can see here traders that our risk reward is 1.3. so let's see what happens. It needs to come to 1 point down to get our order triggered. So we are waiting for our order to get triggered. Okay, it is just near to our buy limit. Okay, if it get placed then we will enter into it, otherwise it's okay. And traders, okay, it's totally fine. Our trade is good since it was spending time for many minutes here. As you can see here, from 9:15 to 9:32, it's been 9:32. It is spending time here, which is 17 minutes. So there are chances that it can give a breakout of this resistance. Okay, so our order get executed. Now we are in the trade and let's see what happens. Traders, there are some chances that it can go, while it was spending time here, so we will wait for it. Let's see what happened. Also our stop loss is below some points of support 1 S1, so it's our trading setup is, according to me, is pretty good, and we will wait for our target or stop loss to get triggered. So now I am pausing the video. I will update you. So traders, as you can see here, that Axis Bank is spending time from many minutes here, so there are many chances that either it will fall down or go upward with a big momentum. So our stop loss is also fixed, so we need not to worry. But since there are chances that it can go in upward momentum with many points, so we can also increase our target points. And one more thing, let me tell you, when I made CPR visible, our target can be here because this CPR is a resistance, so we can increase our profit near some points below the CPR. Okay, so now I am modifying our target, because since the price is spending time at this range, there is many chance that it will gain a good momentum on either side. So our stop loss is also decided, so I can't even increase our profit. So I am modifying my target but I think that it is not yet modified. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, so our target has been modified. Now let us increase this as well. Okay, so now risk reward is 1.65 and we are ready to accept the loss or profit. So traders, this was the update, and when it will hit our target or stop loss, I will update you. So traders, as you can see here, our profit got booked, or you can see that our target got triggered. So very simple trading. There were some chances that it can hit our stop loss, but okay, nice trade. This is the trade which our trader expect. Now let us calculate our profit. Today's profit, I know that it will not be a large amount because we are trading with a stop loss of 100 rupees, but traders, I am very much satisfied with my today's trade. So calculating our today's profit, our target points were 3.30 and our quantities were 50, which is 165 profit. If we were taking more quantities traders, our profit was a good amount, but since it is our paper trade and we can not trade with more than risk of our trade, so I'm very much satisfied trader. Hope you understand my today's logic and learned something from this video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.